Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Paramount Plus with YouTube TV. So first of all, let me clear this thing that Paramount Plus is the direct rival of YouTube TV. So using Paramount Plus with YouTube TV might be very tricky. However, you can try this method that I'm about to show you in today's video. So first of all, you need to come on Paramount Plus, and over here you need to make sure that you have Paramount Plus subscription. Now once you are on the website, you just have to simply provide your email address and you just have to log in into your account. After that, you need to choose YouTube TV from the list of the TV providers on Paramount Plus. So you need to just simply take a look at the list and check whether YouTube TV is available in that or not. If you find YouTube TV, then you just have to simply click on that and log in with your Google account that is associated with YouTube TV. Now, if you are wondering whether you find YouTube TV on Paramount Plus channels list or not, so I came across this article where this query was available, that is Paramount Plus available as a channel on YouTube primetime channels. So it is saying that yes, you can now stream your favorite Paramount Plus programs with YouTube primetime channels across platforms. All you need to have is a YouTube account and a streaming device to get started. So you can also try this method in order to use Paramount Plus with YouTube. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.